Today on Tucker Time, we're going to make spooky slime. All you need is 1 cup of glue, half a cup of liquid starch, measuring cups, and a bowl, a few squirts of glow-in-the-dark paint, and food coloring if you want your slime colorful. First, you're going to take your glue and pour out a whole cup. Pour it in your bowl. Just add 1 or 2 drops of your food coloring. Too dark. Good. Now take your glow-in-the-dark paint and give it a couple of good squirts. It's going to be glowing. This is the fun stuff. This is the stuff that will make your slime hold together. We need a half a cup. Isn't that cool? Once it starts forming together, you can mix it with your hands. I like non-sticky slime.
Not sticky and gooey, right? Like this? This is a little bit, is this a little too gooey for you?
Yeah.
So what do?
We get more starch. Keep adding starch a little at a time until your slime reaches the consistency you like.
That's kind of how we like it, right? We like it like this.
It's solid, and it's liquid. And Newtonian fluid. It's a solid and a liquid, but it doesn't flow like
It doesn't really flow like a liquid.
It's a solid, and it's a liquid. Whoa.
Try it again.
We're going to let this charge for about 30 minutes. And when we come back, we're going to turn off the lights and watch it glow. Are you ready to see it glow? Glow-in-the-dark paint is also known as phosphorescent paint. These paints are made using either zinc sulfide or strontium aluminate. These chemicals are phosphorescent. They absorb UV light. They reflect it back for a long amount of time. But they first need to charge up and sit under UV light in order to reflect it back when the lights go out. Phosphorescents were first discovered in 1604 by the alchemist Vincenzo Cascariolo. He discovered a stone that would re-emit light, and he believed it was the philosopher's stone. He thought it would turn things to gold. But we know now today that it was just a phosphorescent mineral.
It was stuck in my nose.
That was huge.
It's a lot. It's just jump. I hope you get to make some spooky slime of your own. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!
Thanks for watching Tucker Time.
Look the ball. I did. I'm an astronaut.
That looks like an uncomfortable helmet with your nose all smushed. You can't breathe.